Are you tired of looking like a raccoon 24/7? Do you spend all your money on expensive concealers? Are you tired of being asked if you even sleep? Is your YouTube search bar full of color correcting tutorials? If your answers to these questions was yes, hi, let's cry together.
Kidding. Hey guys, this is Vita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about a dark area of my life, my dark circles. Hey my fellow pandas, dark circles are actually very common. It's really nothing to be like ashamed of. The makeup industry is thriving on dark circles right now. As for me, I've been going back and forth with my dark circle journey since I was in school, literally. So there are a few major causes of dark circles which are very widely known. That is lack of sleep, too much screen time, deficiency of iron, sun exposure and dehydration. Well, these are very common factors, but there are also some factors which are not in your control, such as allergies. For example, allergic rhinitis, which I have. My nasal area is like very sensitive. Other causes are heredity and pigmentation irregularities in your skin. Now, I'm not blaming it all on rhinitis and stuff. I know my routine is not the best. Sometimes I stay up late, especially when I'm editing videos, or sometimes just for no reason. Sometimes I forget to drink water. Sometimes I forget to wear sunscreen, and sometimes I'm too close to my phone. So what I'm trying to say is that we are not perfect all the time. There are so many things that we tend to miss in our daily routine. So in that case, I really like to rely on cosmetics like eye creams for taking care of my dark circles. And personally, I am very lazy for doing DIYs and home remedies. I've used plenty of eye creams throughout my life because I needed that. So around 3 weeks or so, I heard about this 40-day challenge from M Caffeine's Under Eye Cream. The challenge was, of course, to see visible reduction in dark circles and under eyes puffiness, and I was like, what's the harm in that? And I'm in the middle of this challenge, like not completed it yet, but I can still see a lot of difference in my eyes. Like, can you see it? I started seeing the difference from first few days itself. Now I've included this in my skincare routine for sure. This M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Under Eye Cream is known to have real coffee inside of this, just like all their products do. So this formula has pure Arabica coffee in it, and coffee is a rich antioxidant which is a much required ingredient in your eye cream. And I don't know if you know that, but caffeine is actually very well known for de-tanning and giving your skin a natural glow, and caffeine also improves your skin tone and like evens it out. It also has white water lily, which is great for fine lines and wrinkles. It has vitamin E, which helps in reducing sun damage. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is my favorite ingredient to be in a skincare product. Hyaluronic acid helps in hydrating your skin and keeping it, plump and stuff. So if it's in your eye cream, you're good to go. Also, it has sweet almond oil extracts too, and we know that almond oil is a very well-known DIY thing to apply under your eyes, and if it's in your product, right. Almond oil helps to moisturize your under eye area, which is very sensitive. The texture of this cream is very light in application. That means you can apply it at any time of the day. You can apply it right before stepping out in your morning routines, and definitely in the night time. Take a pea-sized amount of this product on your finger. Apply underneath your eye till your brow bone. Gently pat it till it absorbs in your skin. Also, it has literally no fragrance at all, which I guess is good. Some people do not like products which have too much fragrance. Also, something about this brand, M Caffeine, it is India's first caffeinated personal care brand, and they only use pure coffee in their products. Also, their products are gender neutral, as they say, so it's not concentrated on just females and girls. And also, it's 2020. Gender labeling is so outdated, like so 2018. And I love the fact that they are cruelty free and PETA certified. If a brand is cruelty free, I am immediately attracted to them. And also, it doesn't have any SLS or parabens. If you're allergic to all that stuff, all the harsh chemicals and all, it doesn't have it, so you are safe with this. So anyway, as I said, I am almost in the middle of this challenge, and I'm really psyched about completing this. But this is not the only thing that I'm doing. I'm definitely making some changes in my lifestyle too. Like, I'm slowly starting to improve my sleeping pattern as well. I go to bed much earlier than I used to. I have stopped taking naps throughout the day so that I can fall asleep faster. And I also use essential oils and air diffusers around me when I sleep so that I sleep very soundly. I also have a reminder on my phone that rings every hour that reminds me to drink water. And I'm a vegetarian, so I've included like rich iron diets in my food, like leafy vegetables. One other small tip for prevention of dark circles is that try not to rub your eyes when you're like removing your makeup or applying your eye cream or applying an eyeliner. Do not stretch or rub your eyes. I used to do that a lot before, but I have stopped it for obvious reasons. So I guess this will be the end of this video. The link to this product will be in the description below if you would like to check it out for yourself and try the challenge and see the difference. I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll see you next time. Take care, my pandas. I love you. Bye.